Hey guys, this is Xamrin guys. So in this tutorial we'll be learning about MVVM, and in this tutorial we'll be not using view models as well as models in order to make this tutorial easier, which shows year, month, date as well as time. So in order to start such type of project, let us create a new project, and here I'm using IDE for Mac. You can use IDE for Windows too. Let us give any name as you like. I'm giving here MVVM basic. Here I'm using MVVM pattern. There are so many patterns that you can use, but I favor MVVM most. And our later part of the tutorial will be regarding MVVM. Let us build our Xamrin Forms blank project. Here I am setting iOS project as my startup project, but you can set your Android project as your startup project too. If it gets built, this is my previewer, then it automatically gets previewed over here. I'll minimize that, and same output should be seen in my simulators too. This is my Xamrin Forms blank project app. For making this tutorial convenient for beginners, here we'll not be using models as well as view models, but in later part of the project we'll be using that. Theoretically, this program defines an XAML namespace declaration for the system namespace. That means this XAML page is going to interact with the system namespace for the binding work. That is why we don't need view model as well as model folders over here. So let us remove this label from here. In our previous project, we have already discussed about stack layouts as well as its uses. Here the program can use xStatic to obtain the current date and time from the static datetime.now property and set that datetime value to the binding context on the given stack layout. It means this system datetime.now will contain all the static values, that is this year, this month, this date values, and bind it to the calling binding context for the given label. You can see over here. Here I'll be adding binding year. After I give the string format, then it will be calling that system datetime.now static properties over here. I'll give the string format as this is the recommended one for the given year. For the given binding string format, you can use this format too for setting our, let's set the month. You can see on right side everything is being updated. Now let us set our binding. I'll call that binding day, string format as today's day. The day is, here the string format is fixed, so let us give another label, text as binding the given time, as the time is 0 is to t. That's all. Now let us run our project. Let's wait for some time. Cool, our project is up and running, but the time is not being updated per second. So in our next tutorial we'll be updating it using MVVM. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep in touch for next tutorials.